Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hello, hello, good morning.
Artlist.io.
All right, we're at it here. Market's opening in a few minutes here.
Artlist.io.
All right, so we're looking pretty bullish, obviously. Anyone who's looked at the chart from overnight, we've popped up pretty nice, broken a bunch of
Music
fair value
licensing
gaps on the way up.
reimagined.
Let's get over to the ES here. We are on the new contracts also, something to consider. We're just inverting a fair value gap currently on a pullback here on the ES. Let's see, it's
Artlist.io.
right here. Could take this midnight open trade,
Licensing reimagined.
heading towards midnight open. Hey Terrence, good morning. How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. So we got about 2 minutes here to the open. So this should be green.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So we got Hassett talking right now, one of the feds. What do we got here this morning? For the news, we got unemployment rate. That was 5:30 or 8:30 a.m. Business inventories month over month. That's pretty quick here. That's at 10 p.m. or 10 a.m.
Reimagined.
About it.
Artlist.io.
Okay, well, we're trying the midnight open mechanical model, but looking like it's not working in my favor at the moment.
Music
So
licensing
we'll
reimagined.
give this a little bit of time to play out here. Morning, Darren. Looking a little too bullish at the moment. So, oh, we got max daily loss on that account. That's too bad. I had 175 in drawdown already in that one. Kind of went a little too big a size. I didn't realize I'd set my max daily drawdown to 450. Normally I have it at 750. Oh well. Interesting. And now it's going to play out. Hello, sir.
Artlist.io.
Do anything in the overnight?
Yeah, I actually I took a loss on gold yesterday evening. I was down 175, and then I just tried taking the mechanical model, Zach's
Yep.
mechanical model,
Music
and
licensing
it bounced. It doesn't look like it's not gonna work. I don't know, but I hit max daily loss in that account now, so
No.
I got locked out of that account. I thought I had 750 drawdown for my max daily loss, but I guess I had set it to 450. So
Gotcha. Well,
Not the end
that's
of
a
the
pain in the ass, Burns.
yeah, it did pull back. I mean, it's going up now, so
Artlist.io.
yeah, it is what it is.
All right.
This
Well,
one,
let's see.
that's the good thing and the bad thing about the max daily drawdown, right? Or when you
Yeah,
set that
I mean,
limit,
Set that limit. It's there to protect you
yeah,
from
Music licensing
Our-
reimagined.
human urges to make poor decisions on a regular basis.
but it often takes you out when you know what I mean?
Artlist.io.
I've had it quite a few times where it's been like takes me out and then it's going in my favor after. It's like catch 22.
I dig it. I dig it.
That's all good.
What the heck do we have going on here today? Not a whole lot of anything, really. Not yet. 3 minutes into the open and the price is just bouncing around.
Yeah, not a whole lot.
About 20, a little more than, no, a little less than 20 points of movement. All right, cool. So let's hang out and see what we got going on here.
Yeah, we got most of the news already happened, although one of the Feds is talking right now. U.S. business inventories at 10 a.m.
Licensing reimagined.
Now that mechanical models, like it's playing out right in my favor, but
We had news this morning at 7:30 too.
that was unemployment, retail sales, non-farm payroll.
Our retail sales was month over month.
IO.
All right. Ooh.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I ended up taking an NQ long yesterday and took a loss on that. And then I took a gold long at about 4 a.m.
Hmm.
and made up my loss and a little bit more. So up on the day by a little bit. So it's an okay start to a day. I did
Nice.
not like my loss from last night though. It was disconcerting.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
Who has a good promo code for Top Step?
Are you thinking about loading up some top steps?
Yeah. I just got rid of like 28 accounts, so
Music licensing reimagined.
oh, how about Arbucci? We'll try match.
I just realized I got to update all of my contracts on my Trade-A-Vate.
Artlist IO.
You get everything moved over to a new the new contracts.
Yeah, except for Trade-A-Vate. And I'm just finishing that right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like NQ's getting a little bit of a lift here.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, NQ is kind of holding up. Yes, right now YM's looking a little bearish
Music
at the
licensing
moment.
reimagined.
Not horrible, but why is this looking so different here? MESH, MESH. I don't know why, but my Project X MESH 26 is looking different than my Trading View one.
Artlist
Really?
IO.
Yeah, like we got 68.62 on my Trading View, and we got 68.67. Is that what?
Music licensing
Yeah, that's what
reimagined.
maybe what Darren's talking about there. Project X is a lagging Trading View on MES. Mornings are. Hey Keith, good morning.
Artlist IO.
What about my Trade of 8 68.65? Weird, because it's actually, it looks like Trading View is off. Maybe 68.65. Okay, that's right.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now it looks like it's normal. It's weird. Definitely lagging though. I don't know which one's lagging. Looks like
We having more technical difficulties today with what are
Project
you
X.
on
I
there? Project X.
think so.
Artlist
Great.
So, what price do you have right now on? What are you looking at on your chart?
I'm looking at the NQ March contract, and it is at 304, 299, 300, 298, 296.
So my Trading
292.
View is showing the same as you.
All right. But Project X isn't.
reimagined.
Yeah.
Let me pull up Project X here.
Although, like even my
No.
MNQ H6, it's the H contract, right? 6.
Yep. Oh, top or
Oh,
Project X doesn't let you change your contract, does it?
I had to refresh it, and then it was there. Oh, you mean it might not? I don't know. It shows MESH 26.
music licensing
NQ H26. No, price is way off. I got 300 on one. I got 269 on the other.
I got
Let's go
256
to-
on Trading View and 288 or 290 on Project X. So
There is a.
Artlist IO.
It's bouncing between 10 and 35 points difference between Project X and Bookmap.
yeah, Bookmap's another thing we can look at here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, yeah, it's 20 points different from Trading View to Project X as well. Project X, man.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
What the heck, man? I don't know. There we go. We got some news coming up in about 1 minute here. Composite PMI, manufacturing PMI, and services PMI. So probably a good idea to just stay out for the moment.
Yeah. I mean, it's only 9:44. You still got a minute before you break your rules. Or before you break my rules, not yours.
I only have one reason if that midnight open thing played out, but yeah, that was unfortunate because it was it definitely played out in my favor.
Darren.
I didn't hit max loss, so
Yeah, Darren says it's 2 minutes behind. Keith said it's lagging, and no, you can't change it. Which, yeah. All right. No promo for Top Step. Thanks, Keith. You use Top Step, don't you?
I don't. No,
No.
Keith does. I've never tried with them yet.
Keith, how do you like them?
All right, is this? All right, well, that's the news. News is done. And we're at midnight open. So, yeah, man, if that stupid stop loss, daily loss limit didn't hit.
10 years below 4.2. 30-year looks like it's not making any new, like, aggressive lows. Non-farm payrolls, negative 105,000. Average hourly earnings are down. Core retail sales for October up 0.4%. Wow. Do I go long? Do I go short? Help me out here.
Okay.
Price got all the way down to oh wait, no, I'm sorry. That's 25,202.6. 4. Yeah, okay, we're gonna be patient today.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna play around and start blowing accounts here.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I figured out what was going on with my IBKR account.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
What was it?
When it was showing that I made like $309,000. No, I didn't. I had to reset everything in it. The realized P&L
Yeah.
was not showing realized P&L. It was marked as realized P&L, but that's not what it was. it ended up being like total margin used on or total collateral used on trades.
Gotcha.
Music licensing reimagined.
So did you disappoint your hockey team and tell them you couldn't play next week?
Yeah, it's actually tonight, and I told him I'm not going to be able to play. So
Good choice. Get healed up, old man.
yeah, it's been pretty hard to sleep actually lately with that shoulder pain. So
Shoulder injuries are a pain in the butt.
yeah,
I do not like them. Sam,
super
I am.
achy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Lamb's bouncing a little bit up here. Not a whole lot, but a little bit.
Artlist.io.
NQs, I got a little lift too. All right. I just got a Top Step account for the first time in a while.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Now we just got to wait for a pullback on NQ.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think today may be a very keep it small day until
Yeah,
we
I
get
agree.
if we get a good movement in one direction or another, then fine. But after Friday and yesterday,
Artlist.io.
feeling a little gun shy.
Max profit on Darren. Darren does things. Nice, Darren. Congrats, man.
Yeah.
Artlist.io. licensing reimagined.
Just placed a buy order on MNQ down at 25. Excuse me, 25 265.
265. That's quite a ways down there.
Yeah. Just 2 micros.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
And I have a long in on my take profit account.
Music licensing
Nice.
reimagined.
351. Just trading one micro on this one.
Got to build that buffer.
Yeah, this is a new account. I'm not fooling around with it.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Let that go for a little while.
Artlist IO.
Yeah.
Oh, ES is bouncing around a little bit here too.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Got orders on MNQ at 25,400. And we got a lot of orders above us on ES. 68.92, 68.90, 85, 80.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Start looking at longs here on ES as well.
Yeah, it's looking pretty bullish.
Music licensing reimagined.
Coming up on sort of at the point of control, and we're at previous day's VWAP right now on ES.
The opening, or sorry, the initial balance. It's above midnight and New York. VWAP. Oh yeah, sorry, opening range. Wow.
That's what I thought you were meaning.
That is what I was meaning. Me say things wrong sometimes. The markets are closed.
Yeah, I got that too. Gotcha. Just kidding.
What the literal?
Yeah, there's definitely a delay on Project X, so not even gonna look at that chart at all.
I'm closing the shit down right now.
Top one probably fixing the leg.
Who knows?
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Currently not doing a whole lot at this price. Hanging out. Looking like we're rejecting off those VWAPs. Oof. That's a big pullback there. Right down to value area low.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Something weird is going on right now.
Yeah.
You having issues on TradingView as well? Placing orders?
No. I haven't tried to place any orders on TradingView, so. Is it a little slow?
It is second, I'll let you know.
Reimagined. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of back in that chop zone from the end of the day on Monday, sorry. If we look back to the left there on NQ anyways, between value area high and the point of control,
Artlist IO.
it looks like they kind of changed the style of the order design for on NQ
Music licensing
or on Trading View, sorry. Like the take profit, everything is like looks a
It's
little
a little
different.
bit odd.
Yeah, they just looks like they updated it.
Artlist IO.
All right, Darren. Talk to you in a bit. Congrats on the max daily profit.
Love that.
Right?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
What I'm not loving is all right, I just put in 3 micros on NQ.
Yeah.
I'm going to see
Music licensing reimagined.
if these end up closing out when I tell them to.
Oh yeah.
Artlist IO.
Up 136, 142, 120.
Music licensing reimagined.
$88. All right, you made $70 on that one.
Artlist IO.
My NQ long on my personal accounts up. Maybe this, maybe today won't be horrible.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined.
You have anything fun going on over there now?
Nada.
Still flat.
Yeah. I'm looking at possibly looking at a YM.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, my NQ long got picked up.
Pulled back pretty far there. Okay.
Oh wait, no, it didn't. I'm sorry. That's my.
Artlist.io.
You should see how many names there are on Zach's pinwheel right now for the draw. It's stupid. How many there are.
374.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm imagining it's quite a few. That Zach, he's just
IO.
The maniac.
always doing crazy stuff.
What a maniac.
That he is. That he is. All right, I just went long on that NQ with 3 micros on rejection of the VWAP.
Artlist.io.
You can go against me.
Music licensing reimagined.
NQ ES is starting to head here lower.
So what the hell is going on in the markets since Friday that's causing everything to drop? You have any insights to that? Because I sure as hell don't.
Not really, no.
Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined.
I guess Project X is completely down now.
Of course it is. Right when I load up a Top Step account.
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Good Lord, man.
Yeah.
Is this shit just gonna tear down again today?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Keith said he thinks it's back up. Tina, good afternoon. I'm here for a masterclass risk management.
Artlist.io.
Well, I just got stopped out of everything, so I'm down $50 per account right now.
Gotcha.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, this Project X thing is, can't believe it. Let's see, it's back on. Check out MES here. 68.52. Yeah, it looks like it's accurate now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Although I just tried to place an order here and it's saying order rejected. So
Because the market's closed right now.
Artlist.io.
yeah, that's what it thinks.
Or so Top Step says.
Yeah, this is Project X. So Darren's back. Hey,
Good morning, Darren. So if you're trading on Project X,
Music licensing
copy it from somewhere else. Use your favorite trade copier.
well, that'll still work.
I don't know actually. Now that I say that,
Right?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, that was weird. I had I guess I had put an order on my that I didn't cancel. And
Oh,
then I
really?
looked back and I was up $80. So
Artlist
got a lucky
All
one.
right. I mean,
guess.
that's not bad.
Yeah.
Take $80.
music licensing reimagined.
Oh, Top Step's website won't even open up right now.
Huh.
Their dashboard.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, interesting. So it even copy traded that actually. So it's in three of my 4 accounts. That makes no sense. It only copy traded in 3 of the 4 accounts.
Artlist IO.
That's weird. Funded direct. So my direct account's up. My funded account, my first funded account isn't. It's just flat. The other one is up.
Music licensing reimagined.
And the fourth one is up. So weird.
Who knows? I got nothing for you today. Sorry, man.
Yeah, it left one of the
Oh,
accounts out for some reason on that order that I didn't even intend. Obviously, I didn't clear it, right? Oh, you know what? I saw it on here, actually, now that I say it, because on my trading view. So that's why, because I saw one on trading view, I closed it, which I must have had that account highlighted, right? That must have been what happened there. Interesting. So because I closed it on TradingView, it only closed one of them. Interesting. That had to be what
Oh,
happened.
so you have the trade copier on, and
Yeah.
it just didn't bother copying?
Well, no, because when I was tabbing through my trading view, because I have the trade copier going for Tradeovate. So
Artlist IO.
4 accounts had an order on it, obviously, and then I closed one order on one account through TradingView because I was like, why is this order sitting here? So I shut it off. So that's why that makes sense now. Why only 3 of them got traded there, because I canceled the one order.
Licensing reimagined.
So we have a fair value gap on NQ at 281.90.
Yep.
I got my short in here, 6 micros.
Nice.
Stop losses at the top of that fair value gap at 305.60. I'm going to throw in a limit buy.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, took $102 on that trade.
There you go. Nice start.
On 10 accounts, so
Very nice.
happy day.
That's a quick 1,000.
I can just keep that up.
Artlist IO.
So yeah, I'm gonna completely miss the rest of this move down, but like you just said, that was a quick $1,000. So cool. I'm green.
Music licensing reimagined.
What is Project X? Tina asks. So it is the platform that's used by Top Step to do all of your executions on. I have an opinion about it. Go figure. I personally think it's garbage. Some people seem to really love it. I don't.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, NQ's just keeping going here.
Still dropping.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Music licensing
look at that. Not pretty.
Yeah, it's basically similar to Trade of 8, Project X.
Artlist.io.
The only difference is Trade Debate generally works.
Yeah.
That's the main difference between them.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I just pulled it up. We've got temporary market closure due to data delays and execution issues on Project X. We are aware of the industry-wide data delay and execution issues on Project X. As a precaution, we've temporarily suspended all trading on the platform. We'll keep you updated as soon as we have more information. Thank you for your patience.
Music licensing
So,
reimagined.
yep. Did you hear that? Order rejected.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I was trying to place one here, and it's like, no. I tried to put an order on there, and it's like, order rejected, order rejected. It's like, huh. Still kind of closed, I guess.
Artlist.io.
So you know what? I am just going to go back to trading my take profit and my ETF and my Apex and my trade day,
Reimagined.
Yeah.
and that's it. Oh, these up here. All right, 25 accounts now.
Artlist.io.
Only 25?
Only 25 today. Slightly less than half of them.
Music licensing reimagined.
Initial balance just set?
Think we're going to get down below the low for the initial balance.
Well, we just bounced up to the midnight open price there, off of that low. So could just be a temporary bounce before we end up heading lower. 47 points.
And I'm putting a $50 stop loss on this and taking a short on NQ.
New York Open still holding MNQ. Little annoying, have to play extremes. Yeah, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just tapped up previous day low on NQ there.
Artlist IO.
See if it. No.
Licensing
Keep
reimagined.
going up.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Not loving this price action.
Yeah, it's not that friendly currently. Very choppy.
Artlist
It's like a lumberjack in here.
Chopping wood.
I'm cutting that out. Take a $15 loss on that one and just leave it alone for a bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
More bearish 5-minute SMT. Yeah, we got holding the lows sort of on NQ where, yes,
Artlist
push the
IO.
lows. That's what you're talking about.
Looks like it's trying to print another bearish fair value gap as well.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
All right, MNQ has got a lot of orders below us at 25,240 and under. 25,270, 3750.
Artlist.io.
Well, I think I got to update the. I don't think I have the balls set correct again here because I changed contract. So
Oh yeah, you got to reset the NQ to 40.
what was that under? Settings configuration? Nope.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
What to do here?
Yeah, this is
Seems like we're gonna just be waiting for a while here.
No, I'm actually taking a short on ES now. Got a
Artlist.io.
crossover of the midnight VWAP in the New York.
All right.
We had a little pullback towards that fair value gap, and I'm doing a one mini short.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I'm adding to it now.
Nice.
And I'm out. $200.
There you go. Beautiful. Was that your cash account? Sorry, you said.
No, that was my copied accounts.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
We'll pull back here. It's a new account, so I'm keeping it kind of tight.
Yeah. No,
Artlist.io.
perfect. You got to build up that buffer a bit, right?
I'm gonna try to.
Tina's asking, what's your execution time frame?
Music licensing reimagined.
Execution time frame.
Yeah, like how fast do you take it?
Round trip, it'll be anywhere from 5 seconds to 5 hours. depends on what my goal is for the day. Today is to keep it nice and quick and keep my stop losses tight. So it's going to be in and out quickly.
Music licensing.
One more.
So
Pretty
hey
short.
Nick, was it 40 on NQ and 50 on ES for those balls?
50 on ES, 40 on NQ.
Thanks.
Artlist IO.
All right, I'm adding into the short on ES, so now I got 2 minis. Stop loss is now in profit.
Music licensing reimagined.
And that's a minimal trade size, right?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Is it under minimal trade size or minimal displayed volume? I can't remember.
Artlist
Volume.
Volume? Okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, $100 on that one.
Nice. Hey Jordan. Yeah, we're just updating the ball size, and then Jordan pops in right as we're talking about it. He's the one who
Speaking of balls,
speaking of Jordan balls.
IO.
Jordan. His big old executioner balls. I'm going to stop now.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, we got one more short here on ES.
Artlist IO.
This one I'm opening up my stop loss a little bit just to give it some room. 250 in risk on this one.
Oh, it's 40 and 50 under minimal trade size, not trade volume. Okay. Minimal trade size. 50. Okay.
Lost $100 on this one. Boo.
What a bouncer.
Artlist IO.
All right, there we go.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
My MNQ long is still in there.
Oh, yeah.
If it gets up to 25,300, it'll take profit. So
I'm trying to long here on MES.
gotcha.
If we can't get a little bounce here.
Does not look like a bad idea to me.
Artlist.io.
In fact, I'm joining you on it.
Bringing myself up to money a bit here. I'm only in one micro, so keeping it small. Uh-oh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on,
That's nothing
hold
to
it
worry
up.
about yet. There you go.
Artlist.io.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Turn green.
Hit it.
And I'm out. All right. $50 on that one.
There we go. I'm out too. I got roughly 20, I guess, on that.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I'm not comfortable opening up my stop losses too much today.
Yeah, it's pretty big movements.
They're fast movements too, and they're not making a hell of a lot of sense in the long term.
Yeah.
We're at the top of fair value gaps. We've got crossovers of the New York and the midnight VWAP. We're under VWAP. Stuff prices going up rapidly and then pushing right back down. I don't want to stay in anything for longer than a minute right now.
Yeah.
But we did just get a rejection off of New York VWAP, so that's a sign of wait to
Yeah,
come.
that's why I had my TP just below that. That was basically the trade idea, is taking it to there, and then I actually moved it down by like a couple ticks, and then it got
Alright.
hit there. So
On that note, I'm gonna hit the head. I'll be back.
okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
If we can get a nice closure above 68.58, that would be nice. Could potentially see us going back to the point of control. We never fully engaged point of control, although that's pretty close.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined.
Still getting order rejected on the Project X platform.
Artlist.io.
Let's try. Yeah, order rejected. Oh, you're trading Bitcoin right now, Darren? Yeah, probably a good idea that you got out, man.
Music licensing
It's
reimagined.
There we go. We got that rejection off of the that rejection off of the New York VWAP, and then we're heading a bit lower.
Artlist.io.
I made a bank paper trade today. All I have is top one with Project. Oh, yeah. That sucks, Jordan.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, we're bouncing again here, guys. NQ's right back at the New York VWAP. ES heading to the New York VWAP. YM starting to bounce a bit. Everything's looking pretty strong at the moment.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I think my coffee pot's not working right.
No, is it cold coffee or something?
Yeah, it's not even hot.
Huh.
Music
And I'm not the type of person that is willing to put coffee in a microwave because, ew, that's just gross.
Yeah.
And I got out of that short.
Yeah, right. I just took a little long there
On
NQ.
ES.
Artlist.io.
Thank you.
On NQ, I closed it. It already is out though. Hit my TP from 314 up to 325, so 11 points. And that was in my copy traded accounts. So put another 20 bucks in the 4 accounts.
All right, I got 6 micros and a long on ES right now.
Ooh, nice.
Son of a bitch.
Don't pull back. Keep going. It's gonna hold. If it holds, as long as it holds this overnight and the New York VWAP.
That break of the New York is what I went in on.
Oh yeah.
I should have waited for a break and a retest. I know that.
Yeah, you
But
usually
right
wait
now-
for that retest, hey? Yeah.
Right now, I'm playing with house money though, so I've got a tight stop loss in, so I'm not all that concerned about it. I'm only risking $150 on this one.
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Pull up for me.
Yeah, I just took that back.
Artlist.io.
Oof.
And I'm out.
Yeah.
Oof.
That was quite the 4 points, 4 point quick pullback. Yeah, the moves are really kind of erratic and abrupt
Music
today.
licensing reimagined.
I've taken a couple losers and a couple of winners so far.
Mm-hmm.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
See what my gold trade did.
Oh, you're still holding that?
Yeah, I'm still in that gold trade from like, I don't know, it was like 5 o'clock this morning.
Oh, yeah. It's pulling back a little bit right now, but you must be up from there because 5 o'clock was.
Artlist.io.
I've got my stop loss and profit on my gold trade, so I'm
Okay,
not
yeah.
really. I got my
No
stop loss in at
No need to watch it
43.20.
like.
Yeah, I've got my stop loss in at 43.20, so
Yeah.
I'm good with that trade.
No need to Hawkeyes it.
Yeah, no, it's it's either going to make a little bit of money or it's going to make a little bit more money. So, all right, let's see if this breaks the New York again on ES.
Yeah.
And as soon as I say that, it turns red and starts coming down.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Looking at Bookmap, I got nothing.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, just not getting enough lift off this New York VWAP right now.
We could get a push off of 68.55. I'd be real happy.
Yeah, we're still flirting with that bearish fair value gap from 1015. That 1015 sell-off candle. Haven't got a closure above, the bottom of that fair value gap.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gotta head out and get your son now, right, Darren? Be safe.
Have fun, Darren. Where is Darren?
Azar, yeah, I will be. We will be. Well, as far as I should be on, anyways, for the shortened week next week.
Short week next week?
Yeah, sounds like it. Is it Christmas?
Music licensing reimagined.
Christmas and Boxing Days next week, so
Boxing Day for all you Canadians.
yeah. Was it Black Friday or something? Wait, you guys
Black
know?
Friday is the day after Thanksgiving.
Oh, gotcha. So you guys don't celebrate, like, you don't have Boxing Day?
No.
In the U.S.?
Not so much, no.
It's basically, now that you got some money for Christmas from your parents, go spend it at the stores at a discount. As if we don't spend enough money at Christmas time already, right?
All right.
Reimagined.
But they're going to give us the discount after Christmas is over,
Well, yeah, you got to keep those sales up.
Artlist.io.
Well, we can't seem to take the New York there very good.
No, it's not looking healthy.
Ooh, having a bit of a slap down.
Reimagined. Artlist.io.
I'm gonna close out this gold trade.
Reimagined.
All right, I'm out of that.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Well, I tried to take a short there. It's not working in my favor very much at the moment. Might end up
On ES?
stopped out. Yeah. It's bouncing. I got my stop sort of just above the New York VWAP. So
Yeah,
Really
it's just flirting. It's just fooling around inside that fair value gap right now.
Yeah.
Artless IO.
You get in the profit here. I'm gonna probably drag my stop in there. Just not liking how it didn't continue there. Looking like it's gonna go stop me out though pretty quick here if this keeps up.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, this price action is getting a little ridiculous.
Artless IO.
There's your short.
Yeah, it's basically
keep
at my
pushing.
entry price now. Dropping my stop in there. I got fucked up. I just didn't like it.
Cutting out early.
Weird though.
Reimagined.
There's it definitely lagging though for some reason on like my trade evade versus a. Oh damn! Of course I should have been in there still.
That's all right. I got it for you.
You bastard.
Got 1 mini in there, and I just added to it.
Nice.
Artless IO.
Oh man, frustrating.
All right, made $100 on that.
Music
Nice.
Still have one mini sitting here. Oh. So that was a prime example of horrible management. I took a $125 win and then a $100 loss.
Oh damn. Well, $25 still.
Same trade.
Yeah.
So that was just a waste of my time.
Is it because you closed one but not the other? Yeah. Oh man, I don't like this price. I look at it as going right back up into that fair value gap again here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gold's looking ugly. YM isn't pretty.
Artless IO.
It's an inside day, it looks like. I don't know, I'm thinking I might not take much more trades. We'll have to see here if we can get something happening. Probably stick around for another 20 minutes. That'll be 8:30 or 11:30, I guess.
Music licensing reimagined.
We just printed another bearish fair value gap on the closure of that last candle. Now, is it gonna continue or not? But let's see here.
Artless IO.
Is it going to continue down? Let's see. It can't make up its mind.
No, it goes down to the wick and bounces back up.
Reimagined.
Mm-hmm. Good Lord, man. Make up your mind.
Yeah.
Artless
All right, I'm in a short on that opening range low. Or I'm sorry, initial balance low. I keep doing that today.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, this bugger price, man. I don't like it.
And I'm out.
Artlist IO.
Another $25 trade.
All right. Money's money.
Yeah, I'm just not loving this price action still.
No, yeah. It's not cooperating very good right now.
Music licensing.
We do have orders down at 68, 46, and 45. Looking like that's where we want to go. Looks like they're about to try to take those orders here, maybe. Bouncing quite a bit right on the 47, though. Like, not really making the progress lower.
Artlist IO.
93 orders got bought at 68.51 not long ago. There we go. We
We've got
just
algo orders underneath us too.
printed a sell order, big sell ball there. Basically 70 contracts.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nice breaking through there.
Short here.
Artlist IO.
Wow, it just wants to mess with me today.
Yeah, it's
This is
not, not being
It's gonna
nice.
be. It's maybe my last trade of the day.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, so I got 202 in 3 of my 4 funded accounts here, and then 95 in my other one, the one that didn't get copied.
IO. Music licensing reimagined.
I love it when I'm already friends with Zach Boyajian, and then I get scam requests. Oh, be friends with me, Zach Boyajian.
IO.
I get at least 5 of those a week. They're beyond annoying.
Yeah. Tina, I usually take, I want to say I would take 5 to 10 trades a day, roughly. Sometimes a little bit more. Just kind of depends. Spread out over the day, because I often also take a few trades in the evening session. So it kind of just depends.
Artlist IO.
Kind of depends on how much
Licensing
profits you lock in also.
Yeah, that is a key.
you know, with these taking these base hits, you know, I'm likely to try to get a couple more base hits, right? Small wins. But if, you know, if we end up getting a nice trending winner, might just lock it out.
Music licensing reimagined.
The MES shorts aren't doing me too wrong right now.
Yeah. Especially on these last 4 or 5 minute candles here.
All right, while this is in my going in my direction, I'm just gonna set my stop loss and profit, and all right, made $50 on micro contracts.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Definitely not giving continuation though, hey? It's like,
Nope.
it's going a bit, you put your stop in there, and then it's like, oh, there's a stop there, isn't it? Let's go back.
We've got, yeah, this is scalpy day. You can't do anything other than scalp your positions
Yeah.
in this range.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Look at another short off this fair value gap below the initial balance. Won't do anything more than 2 micros now. I'm already up on the day. I'm not
Yeah.
giving back a bunch of profits.
Artlist.io.
And I'm short.
All right.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about my Blue Guardian.
I think it's set up yet.
Well, I got it, but I haven't downloaded a platform, and I think there's 2 options: is Project X, which obviously I'm gonna avoid that, but then I got to try DX feed. I don't know. Never heard of
Never
it.
used it.
I'm gonna look it up on YouTube real quick.
Music licensing
DX
reimagined.
feed tutorial. It's quite a. I just don't want another Project X. Like,
Yeah, no. All right. Added into that short.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, just took $40 off of that. Still holding on to 1 micro.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Took another $10.
Artlist.io.
Well, friends and neighbors, I think I am officially done for the day. I'm sick of getting chopped up here.
Not making
I
much
feel like
progress.
Yeah, I feel like firewood right now.
Licensing reimagined.
I'd much rather take 2 really good trades that are stress-free than keep taking all these little itty-bitty trades and
Yeah.
being on edge about them.
Artlist.io.
So I are done for the day. Let's see what I did for the day.
Jose, yes. Project X is having issues today again.
As
So
per
he said,
usual.
is something going on with top one trying to place a trade and it tells me market is closed and rejects my order. Yeah, so they had a problem with the feeds and they've basically shut down Project X right now until they figure that out. So yeah, unfortunately, no good, no bueno.
All right, not my worst day ever.
Yeah, how did it go?
Just under 9,000 across 25 accounts.
Very nice. There you go.
So that
Great start.
it was a good day, but this is just, I have a feeling if I continue, I'm gonna lose everything that I just made. So I are done for the day. Are you in anything right now?
Music licensing.
I actually just ended a short on NQ. A little bit in the profit here, dragging in my stop.
Let me just lock
Okay, we got
these out.
stopped out there, so yeah. That was like $18. $18.
Artlist.io.
Yeah. Well, good thing I stopped it out because it's bouncing.
Oh, is it? Great.
Yeah. Well, at least it's slightly above my entry price now, anyways.
ES is still working its way down a little bit, but
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah. Terrence said, "Thanks, Nick. Take the money and run."
that's what I'm doing. I'm taking your advice. I'm trying to act like an adult and not do anything stupid. I appreciate you, Terrence.
Yeah, probably gonna end the stream here in about 5 minutes, anyways.
I'm just hanging out with you now, making sure all my accounts are locked out and canceled.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
Yeah, so I put in about 412? No. Let's see.
So here's another thing about managing multiple accounts.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm going through all of my accounts individually and canceling them out because one of my orders got left on.
Oh, sheesh.
So if I would have just left that on, well, I would have lost that account
Hey, there's
because of the no overnight trading rules.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Terrence. Appreciate you hanging out also. Yeah, so even with my max daily loss on my top one futures account early on there, I'm up between that loss and then my copy traded Lucid accounts. I'm up 434 on the day. So
That's awesome.
and
And you're only
yeah,
trading what, 4 accounts right at
Four.
a time?
4 accounts there, and then the one top one futures that I max loss, unfortunately, but
Well, you know, that happens.
yeah.
Happens to all of us.
Yeah, today's not the cleanest day, for sure, but was able to capitalize on a couple trades there. And then I noticed when I start getting green, I start being a little extra aggressive on taking, putting my stop in there. Seems to take me out of some trades early, but it's kind of, I'm just more concerned about protecting the capital, I guess.
Yeah,
So,
because protecting your wins is a better strategy than just throwing shit at the wall and seeing what sticks.
yeah.
Oh, Apex has got a 90% off sale right now.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
You thinking about picking up some Apex?
No, I just ended up taking my payouts from them, and I'm planning on blowing a couple more of these accounts until I decide that I'm going to build back up. Actually, I'm not really planning on blowing them as much as I am just kind of going along with just copy trading them to larger accounts
Oh yeah.
to see if they manage to get up a bit.
You know how you linked me that music copyright thing?
Yeah,
Yeah, I never got that though.
really.
Yeah, so I don't know if it's because you're in the States or something. I don't know. It's weird. Because these are all free, royalty-free music from Artlist.io.
Yeah, I sent them back a message about that, and I haven't heard anything. Let me just check.
Interesting.
I did find it humorous that they sent me the message that they sent me said, "You cannot monetize this video."
Yeah.
Bitch, I don't have enough people following me to monetize a video.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
All right.
Ooh, I got some more money in my Lucid Trading affiliate account. Somebody must have bought something. I got to get to $500 to take a payout from there, and I'm at 193. So almost halfway to getting a. That would be my very first affiliate payout.
All right.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm at like 193, and you got to get to 500 before you can take a payout. So
I'm gonna cross my fingers for you.
yeah. Again, it's not like we're really pushing that or anything, but it's a bonus to when people do use it. So that's kind of, I'm not pushing anyone into losing money.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's like that.
Between here and there, made 5x on those MU puts he took yesterday. Very nice. That's awesome.
Everybody's green today, eh? Oh my God, I'm starting to talk like you. Eh? I start sounding like a Canadian, eh?
Hey.
You can tell the difference between a New Yorker and a Canadian by where they place the A. It's
Hey,
how you doing, eh? Or hey, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing, buddy? Nice.
It's all in the placement of the A.
Artlist
Oh,
IO.
we got one person in your YouTube right now. Has your nephew been trading?
He's green on his first test account.
Nice.
So that's impressive. I think I blew my first test account in about a minute and a half.
Reimagined.
So Apex is apextraderfunding.com.
Hold on, I'll find out.
Or is that somebody
Yes,
else?
Apex. It's apextraderfunding.com.
Okay, cool. I'm like, maybe this is why I've never been able to freaking get in and buy anything from these guys.
I believe you need to use a two-factor authorization.
Oh yeah.
Not sure, but I think that's what it is. Or that might be your issue.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh wow! I just opened up the YouTube to see what the hell you were talking about. There are
Yeah.
34 people subscribed to our to my channel now.
Nice. There you go. See,
So
it's climbing.
it's increased about 300%. And when I went on with Zach, that's what it was.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
And then we were also getting some people on. What was that day? That was a couple days
Yesterday,
ago. We
maybe?
got a couple other people to go over there. But yeah, that definitely would be where you're gonna get those
Music
subscribers for sure.
licensing reimagined.
Zachary.
That prop for match exposure.
Oh, yeah, that prop for a match.
It's popping off. You know, they got 115 people watching right now, and the giveaways have like freaking. You can't even see how many people are on the pinwheel anymore. It's so many.
Wow. Good for them. That's awesome.
Yeah, for sure.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, we need to get a sponsorship for doing this.
I know if we could do some giveaways too, that would definitely increase the viewers and
Oh, yeah.
also make our viewers happier.
I mean, even if we,
Artlist IO.
get a sponsor from Loosener's Castor Oil Flakes, it really gets you moving in the morning. Something like
Yeah. I was thinking about giving away a couple Tim Hortons cups. But then I'm like, I'm probably going to get dinged with tariffs trying to ship it down to the States.
Reimagined.
anything from Tim Hortons now, you get a 900% tariff on.
Yeah. Well, it's like my mom was telling me she tried to send some Christmas gifts to my sister, and she's in the States, and you have to pay you have to declare all this stuff and pay all whatever, possibly pay tariffs.
Yeah.
It's like,
It's-
all right, seriously? What the heck, man?
Shit's ridiculous, man.
Crazy,
Artlist IO.
I'm not all that happy about it.
right?
When I ship stuff to Costa Rica, same thing. Because of all this tariff nonsense.
Yeah.
I mean, the tariffs there have always been high because it's a poor country, but now it's even worse. The couldn't imagine what it costs to buy an American-made vehicle there.
Oh,
I'm sorry, I'm not paying $120,000 for a Ford Ranger. It's not going to happen.
a Ford Ranger, yeah. Tiny
That's
little.
not a joke. A new Ford Ranger there, it's about 120 grand.
That's wild.
I ended up buying an Isuzu D-Max
Artlist IO.
and didn't even pay half of that.
Isuzu. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. I don't even know if they're in Canada.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sure, their semi trucks are. Those things
Yeah,
are
maybe.
everywhere. The
Artlist.io.
I think this is gonna drop on ES here. And it's dropping. Okay. Let me lock this in. There we go. All right. That was my last trade of the day.
Nice.
Now I'm done.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, the Isuzu pickup trucks down there, way less expensive. Well, I mean, they're still like 30% more than what they would be if you bought them here.
Yeah.
But
Music
it's not
licensing.
$120,000 for a four-wheel drive pickup truck.
Well,
You
I
guys
just
have to ask,
made
was your
30
execution-
bucks on a YM.
Artlist.io.
I didn't even realize Tina Banks asked how many trades do you normally take on an average per session?
Yeah.
3. Normally, like between 3 and 5. If I can get, honestly, if I can get one really good trade, I'll stop at 1.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm usually somewhere. I mean, I range between 5 and 15 actually.
Holy shit, 15,
Depends
really?
on the day. Yeah, like depends, right? If I'm just getting small scalps, I'll take more attempts if it's presented right. But usually about 5. Although the number could be skewed because it's copy trading too sometimes.
Artlist.io.
So which counts as 2 in one trade. So
Yep. Yeah, that
so
makes
maybe
a
it's
difference.
more like 5 to 7 in a day.
Yeah, it seems.
Yeah.
Yeah, from streaming with you, I was gonna say 15 trades seems like a lot for you.
Yeah, it's
Today-
probably
Music licensing reimagined.
I think
Today is
today
a little more than normal, but
yeah, I took a lot of copy traded, or not a lot, but a few copy traded accounts today. So let me see what my dashboard says here.
Artlist.io.
Let's see here. Yeah, it says 30 trades today, but divided by 4. So 7. About 7 or 8 trades. 8 trades, I guess.
yeah, and then you took I think you took a couple on a single account too, didn't
Yeah,
you?
so it would have been probably like 7 plus a couple on the single account. So
Reimagined.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
yeah,
I say 15 accounts seems like a hell of a lot for you. Alrighty, Dak. I'm getting the hell out of here before I do something stupid and lose all my money.
Hey, Dad. Good morning. You're a little late.
Morning,
We're
Mr.
just about
Britt.
to end the stream. But hey, good to see you.
By the way, terrible jobs data came in today. Yep. Higher unemployment, lower wages, increase in number of people with 2+ jobs.
Wow.
Yeah, no, it. Oof. Well, we're
Yes,
making
wow.
America. We're making America great again, aren't we?
Yeah. Sweet. Okay. Well, hey, let's wrap it up here. So thanks to everybody who was here. Looks like my dad showed up at the end. Between here and there, we had Terrence earlier, Jose, Tina, Darren, Jordan, Czar, Keith, and I think that was it. Was there anybody else I'm missing?
We had everybody in today.
Yeah. And obviously, the Mr. Nick, thank you.
No, thank you, Mr. Dave.
And
I'll see you bright and early tomorrow.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
All right. Have a good night.
Okay, see you guys, everybody. Take care.